ready to unlock hidden insights within your data by age demographics. Let's dive into creating a dynamic age list in Tableau. First, ensure your dataset includes a date of birth field. This is crucial. Go to Analysis, then create Calculated field. Name this age. In the Calculation field, use the DATEDIFF function. The function would be DATEDIFF year. Date of birth. Today this calculates the difference in years between the date of birth and the current date, and name this age. Make sure to hit OK. Now, right-click on the newly created age field and select Create. Then select Bins. In the bin settings, define your desired age ranges. Common ranges are 1825, 2635, and so on. Adjust the size of bins depending on your preference. Drag the age bin field to columns and measure like count or number of records to rows. This generates a bar chart showing the distribution of your data across different age groups. You can also use the age bins to create map visualizations. Drag your geographic field to the view. Then drag the age bin field to color to represent different average ages across regions. Combine your visualizations into a dashboard for a comprehensive view of your age demographics data. You can add filters to further refine your analysis, and that's it. You've successfully created a dynamic age list in Tableau.